Managing an agency effectively can feel overwhelming, but using Asana can make it incredibly simple and streamlined. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your agency using Asana and get the most out of its powerful features. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of the software, so don't miss it. First off, let's talk about setting up your workspace in Asana. This is crucial because it allows you to organize everything in one place, from client projects to team tasks. You can create a new workspace by simply clicking Create New Workspace in a sidebar. Once set up, you can easily create teams for each department or client and start organizing your tasks efficiently. Next, tasks and subtasks. This is where the magic happens. Each project or task you create in Asana can be broken down into smaller, more manageable steps. This is key for running an agency because the work is often complex and involves multiple team members. When you create a task, don't forget to assign due dates and responsible team members. You can even add a subtask if needed to keep everything on track. The third thing I want to mention is using templates. Asana offers a range of templates that are specifically designed for agencies. These templates can help you get started quickly by giving you a framework to work within. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign or managing client feedback, Asana's templates save you time, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you take on a new project. Now, let's dive into collaborating with your team. Asana allows you to assign tasks to team members, share files, leave comments, and tag people to keep communication flowing smoothly. You can also set up project milestones to track progress and keep the entire team aligned. The beauty of Asana is that it centralizes all communication, so nothing slips through the cracks. The fifth thing to make your agency run even more smoothly is using the calendar and timeline view. With the calendar view, you can easily see when tasks are due and whether your team is overloaded or on track. The timeline view takes it a step further by giving you a Gantt chart-like visual to track dependencies, so you can see how tasks relate to one another and adjust as needed. Next, automations are an awesome way to save time and reduce manual work. Asana allows you to automate repetitive tasks like task assignments or due date adjustments. For instance, you can set up rules that trigger when a task is completed, like automatically assigning the next step to the right person, which helps keep your agency running like a well-oiled machine. Finally, reporting and tracking progress. This is where Asana shines for agencies. The reporting tool lets you generate detailed reports on individual tasks, projects, or teams. You can track KPIs, see how many tasks are completed versus pending, and get a full view of your team's performance, which is invaluable for improving efficiency and client satisfaction. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to try out Asana for free, you can access it through the first link below and unlock exclusive bonuses. Now, remember, using Asana to manage your agency means better organization, clearer communication, and more time to focus on what truly matters. I hope these tips have helped you understand how you can leverage Asana to streamline your agency's operations. Make sure to use the link below to get your extended free trial and explore all the features Asana has to offer.